Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off keyboard typing sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and type something on the keyboard. If you get a sound while pressing each letter number, then if you would like to turn off this keyboard sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system, then go to languages and input and click on advanced, and here click on screen keyboard and click on default keyboard and select default input method to other option. Now click on manage on screen keyboards and click on Gboard and click on preferences, and here select sound on key press. Just to turn it off so that you will not get any sound while typing on your keyboard hereafter. Okay, just to go to the home screen and go to typing interface and click on next to keyboard and type something on the keyboard. There is no sound as of now. In this way you can easily disable or turn off or remove keyboard sound from your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.